Okay, so I only have one more thought in my plea that any and all of you would participate with us in this Bible challenge, and that is, I don't care where you live. I know I'm speaking to you guys that live up in Canada. I'm speaking to you that live in Utah. I'm speaking to you that live in California. I'm speaking to you that live on the East Coast, down South Texas. I'm speaking to you that live right here within an hour of where I live. All of us, we have so much to gain from each other if we would just open up the lines of communication between each other. And I know so much, we're so different, so much of what we do is on this varied scale, but I don't care, because we're all going to one God. We're all on a path. And, I may be over here and somebody's over here and somebody's here, and we're just all here, but there's one God. And this path is not the same as this one, or this one, or this one, or any of them. But guess what? As we all draw closer to one God, just by the way it works, we'll be closer to each other. Because instead of being over here and over here, we're going this way. And we'll start growing closer together. And that's the goal. That is my plea, to bring us together. We love each other because we're like-minded, but we don't get a chance. Those of you in California, that's so bad. I don't get to invite you over for dinner tomorrow night. Though if you want to come, start driving. I will host you. And so I am begging you that if you have any inkling that you want to grow in the Word, do this with us. Okay? If you don't get it done every day, I hope that you do. I don't want to give excuses, but it'll be okay, because if you're doing nothing now and you start reading every other day, that's still more than you were doing, or say you're only doing 2 or 3 chapters. Hey, you.
Where's History?
He's over there. You want to go see him? Then what if upping it to 7 chapters is a pretty big deal. And so it's about being better. It's about coming together. There's going to be a time whether it's the near future or the far future, that we're going to need each other. And if we can grow together, we're going to build relationships that matter. And so that, I know that I babble a lot. I know that my videos are long, but that is our heart. I hope you hear our heart and not my words, because my words are nothing, but our heart is for all of us to start acting like the body of Christ. What's that song that, if we are the body, why aren't his arms reaching? Why aren't his hands healing? Why aren't his words teaching? Why aren't the feet going? Why aren't we doing something together as a unit? So that is our heart. That is our plea. Please join us. We love you.